This is a unilateral shoulder extension using a dumbbell. And what you'll do is you'll bend forward at the hips, not at the spine, but at the hips. Keep your back nice and flat, pull your stomach in. The arm that you're using, that leg is going to be back. The very first thing you do is pull your shoulder up towards the ceiling and down towards your waist. Imagine you're trying to put your shoulder blade in the opposite hip pocket. And then once your shoulder blade is set, then go ahead and keep the elbow straight or relatively straight and raise the arm up into extension. And then back down nice and slow, and then you relax, and then repeat. And then come down nice and slow. And when you get really good, the motion is just fluid. And you want to go down twice as slow as you go up. So it's that's unilateral shoulder extension.